Hello everyone, in front of me is Xiaomi 15T Pro, and let me show you how to locate serial number assigned to this device. So at first, let's open the phone dialer. Now enter code *##06#, and as you can see at the very bottom you've got your serial number. So tap on OK to exit device information, and there is also the second way to reach serial number straight through your phone. To do it, just unroll the settings, then find and select About Phone, go down, mark Detailed Info and Specification, select Status, and here mark Model. And as you can see, your serial number is noted here as well. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.